Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change the language of your application of Steam, and this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application of Steam, and here in the store you need to go here in the superior right corner, and here you got all the options of Steam. You need to go here where set account details. So in account details you need to go to language preference here in that option, and after that you can change your language here. You can select all that language and change the language of your application. So this is an easy process to do. You can change your language. After that you need to refresh the application, and after that you get your language change modified. You can see here you get the language change in the application. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.